IJVL, Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, Faculty of Physiotherapy, Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Now today's topic is mechanical ventilation BPT 8 Mechanical ventilation is a method to mechanically assist or replace spontaneous breathing, airway compromise, respiratory failure, type 1st respiratory failure or type 2 respiratory failure, acute lung injury including ARDS or trauma, apnea or respiratory arrest including case from intoxication, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, myasthenia gravis or spinal cord injury. Indication: increased work of breathing as evidenced by significant trachypnea, retraction, and other physical sign of respiratory distress. Hypotension, including sepsis, shock, congestive heart failure, neurological disease such as muscular dystrophy, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, airway protection, prophylactic ventilation support. Type of form of mechanical ventilation: negative pressure ventilation or positive pressure ventilator. Setting of mechanical ventilation: mechanical ventilation setting regulate the rate, depth, and other characteristics of ventilation. Setting are based on the patient status, ABG body weight, level of consciousness, and muscle strength. Basic ventilator parameters: tidal volume, frequency, peak inspiratory pressure यानी PIP, positive and expiratory pressure PEEP, inspiratory time, expiratory time और IE ratio. Respiration rate normally 10 to 20 B upon M. Total tidal volume 15 to 5 to 15 ml per kg. Oxygen concentration, IE ratio, flow rate, sensitivity, trigger or pressure limit or PEEP, usually 5 to 10 centimeter H2O. Mode of mechanical ventilation: control, mandatory ventilation, assist control, mandatory ventilation, synchronize, intermittent mandatory ventilation, positive expiratory and pressure, continuous positive airway pressure, pressure support ventilation. Ventilatory phases: inspiration, inspiratory valve open and expiratory valve is closed. Inspiratory pause, inspiratory valve and expiratory valve pause, close. Expiration: inspiratory valve close and expiratory valve open. Expiratory pause में inspiratory valve and expiratory valve close at end of expiration. Phase variables: trigger, ventilator triggered or patient triggered, limit flow, limited pressure or limited. Starting a ventilator mode: mode denoted interplay between patient and the ventilator. Describe the style of breath support based on relationship between the various possible type of breath and inspiratory phase variable. What, where to start: CPAP, IPAP, EPAP or NIV. Pressure control, volume control, CMV, assist control, IMV, SIMV, PSV, ASV, MMV, PRP, APRP, PCV, auto mode or FHP mode. Breath type: spontaneous versus mechanical versus assisted. Control, mandatory ventilation. The ventilator delivered persist tidal volume for pressure at the time triggered, persist respiratory rate as the ventilator control both tidal volume and respiratory rate. Ventilator control the patient minute volume. Control mandatory ventilation. Patient cannot breathe spontaneously. Patient cannot change the ventilator respiratory rate. Suitable only when patient has no breathing efforts, disease or under heavy sedation and muscle relaxation. Asynchrony and increased work of breathing not suitable for patient who is awake or he is on respiratory effort cannot be used during weaning. Intermediate mandatory ventilation machine breath are delivered at a set rate volume or pressure limit. Patient is allowed to breathe spontaneously from either a demand valve or continuous flow of gases but not offering any inspiratory assistance. Intermediate mandatory ventilation patient capability determine tidal volume of spontaneously breathe some freedom to breathe naturally even or mechanical ventilation. Intermediate mandatory ventilation pros or con. Pros freedom for natural spontaneous breathe even on mechanics, lesser changes of hyperventilation. Cons asynchrony, random chance of breath stacking, increased work of breathing, random high airway pressure and lung volume. Synchronize intermittent mandatory ventilation. Ventilator deliver either patient trigger assistant breathe or time trigger mandatory breathe in a synchronized fashion so as to avoid breath stacking. If the patient breathes between mandatory breath, the ventilator will allow the patient to breathe a normal breath by opening the demand valve but not offering any respiratory assistance. Synchronized intermittent mandatory ventilation. It allows patient to assume a portion of the ventilatory drive wherein is possible greater work of breathing and therefore some may not consider it is the initial ventilator mode. Friendly cardiopulmonary interaction, negative inspiratory pressure generated by the spontaneous breathing lead to increased venous return, which theoretically may help cardiac output and function. Pressure support ventilation. Pressure is the setting variable. The mandatory breath applicable on a spontaneous breath. Patient effort determines size of breath and flow rate. Pressure support ventilation it augmented spontaneous decrease spontaneous rate use conjunction with spontaneous breath in any mode of ventilation no backup ventilation in the event of apnea. Provide pressure support to overcome to increase work of breathing imposed by the disease process, the endotracheal tube, the inspiratory valve, and other mechanical aspect of ventilatory support. Allow the titration of patient effort during weaning. Thank you.